Here's a bunch of just kind of general digital marketing ideas that don't really fit in their own category, or I didn't want to group them together. So you can send out email newsletters. It's a great way if you have an email list, or if you're building an email list. MailChimp is actually free if you have less than 2,000 subscribers, which if you're just getting started out, you probably do. You can kind of start easy, just send out free monthly newsletters to your client base, and keeping people updated with what's going on with the business. And then as you get comfortable with email marketing, you can start sending out promotions and all kinds of stuff like that. I would just be careful not to be too annoying. People will start getting annoyed. They'll mark your stuff as spam. You don't want that. I probably wouldn't send out more emails than just once a week when you're getting started, but as you become more competent, figure out what your audience wants, maybe you can eventually be sending more emails than just once a week. Another great thing with email marketing is you can set up different automations. So things like auto sending blog posts to your list, or sending birthday discounts. If you have your clients' or customers' birthdays, you can do some cool automations like that. So another idea, you could have a photo shoot at your business location. Photos are huge online. They're really going to help you sell your product or service. You really just need good photography. It's it's 2022 right now, and you just have to have good photos. So thankfully, modern smartphones are awesome, and if you have a new iPhone or something like that, the camera on it is going to be fantastic. So you can just take pictures of yourself and put those on your website, and put those on your Google business profile. Put it on Yelp and Facebook and all that kind of stuff. Have a photo shoot, share all of that cool content. Basically, every time you have a photo shoot, just think about it as you're just generating a bunch of content that you can share online. So I just mentioned earlier Google Business. Google Business is an awesome free tool. You just have to go to business.google.com to set up a free profile. It's how you collect Google reviews, and it's how you get on Google Maps. So you really want to have a Google business profile. This is really one of the very first things you should do anytime you're starting a new business. Set up a Google business profile. You've got to. Now, one really cool thing too with Google Business is that if you set up a profile and you get a bunch of reviews, then when people are searching for your business, say personal trainer Austin, and you have the most reviews, then you'll show up on Google Maps before all of the organic Google search results on the Google search page. Okay, so basically this is a way to skip the line over everybody else who's competing for those organic search results on Google. You just have to get a bunch more good reviews than everybody else, and for some industries that's going to be difficult and really competitive, so for others not. And you can jump the line, show up in the maps before all the organic search results. So definitely get a Google business profile. So you could also set up live chat. There's a lot of free live chat services, especially if you don't have very much traffic on your website. We use HubSpot on my website, and it says something like, get in touch now. These messages go straight to Caleb's cell phone, and they do. And setting up live chat really makes people feel like they have a direct line to the business. They can easily get in touch with you and discuss their project, potentially hire you. People contact me through live chat pretty regularly. They come straight to my phone. I just basically text them back. So definitely recommend setting up live chat on your website. And like I said, there's free options. You can just Google free live chat services and you'll find some. You can also apply for industry awards. There's all kinds of companies out there that just give out awards for free. Basically what they're doing, they want you to add their badge with a link to their website on your website, because it's a free link for them and it gets them publicity. And then usually they have some kind of upgraded package where if you pay them, then you get you're a gold member or something like that. All kinds of industry awards. I have people every year just email me with some free stuff. Two big ones that are on my website right now are UpCity and Expertise. They both just sent me free badges saying I'm the best marketing agency. That's probably true, but I didn't ask for them. They just give you these awards. So I would just search, industry awards for personal training and see what comes up. So another place to market your business for free online is to get listed on all these various business listing websites. So restaurants and hotels have TripAdvisor, local service businesses have Houzz and Home Advisor and Angie's List. All businesses can be reviewed on Yelp and Facebook and Google. Whatever industry you're in, there's probably going to be some relevant listing sites, and you should be able to pretty easily get a business listing on those websites. Get some free links to your website, which should help with your SEO, and it's also one more place for people to find you, and it's free. Next up, and maybe this should have gone under social media marketing, probably should have, but you can create a LinkedIn profile and a business page on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is going to be maybe a little more manual in terms of getting business. The most effective way is to be posting content to LinkedIn and then reaching out directly to your target customer on LinkedIn, messaging them and saying, hey, I see that you're doing this, I can help you with that, and here's my value proposition, right? I would say try not to go for the hard sell. Hard sales don't really work anymore. I take that back. I'm sure they work for some people, but in general, it's going to be easier to add a lot of value and then later on ask for a conversation or a consultation.